Dr. Yash Muthian, ACIT. This is ACIT. Section 6. Resident in India. Not ordinary resident. Accrual of income. Sale of stock option. Earlier employer. Matter remarked back to assessing officer. Okay. On appeal, the assessee contended that he was an employee of Google India, returned salary income and claimed that he came under non or not ordinary resident. Okay. Category of relevant year. He was not liable to pay tax on the sale of stock option given to him by his earlier employee in USA. He was liable to pay tax only on the income earned in India. Assessing officer included income from sale of stock option as an income of assessee, which was affirmated by the tribunal. The court held that since NORO status as purchase of stock option assessee was mixed question of fact and law, in the interest of justice, in order to give one more opportunity to the assessee, the matter would be remitted back to assessing officer. So this matter is remitted back to assessing officer, but what is my contention is, when he buys the stock option, he was in US. Currently now is not ordinary resident. Not ordinary resident mean that income will not be liable to tax. Even he is not ordinary resident, he receives the money in India, but the stock option is stock is traded in USA. He just have redeemed the shares or sold the shares and brought back the money to India. Okay, income does not accrue and arise in India, and he is not a resident in India. So such income is not taxable in India. Clear? Very good.